Just give me a minute. Okay, logged in. Sharing my screen. Did you get a chance to practice this yesterday?
Yeah, I practiced it.
Okay.
I'm facing some issues.
Tell me, Sakshi, we'll discuss.
In the string function, that white space is not working.
What is white
String
space?
white space means the empty space between the character.
Oh, no, it's not between characters. At the start or at the end, it's that
Yeah,
one.
yeah, that also I tried. Means after the comma, I give some space, then I type the name, and then also I give the space and then comma. But it's coming as it is.
Okay, we will see.
Hmm.
Okay, in Boomi, there is a documentation for every function. Okay, just it's not for this, but I'm telling you, if there's any doubt you have, you can look into that. Okay,
Okay.
so we will do this. Shall we put a space after the remove?
Yeah. Yes. After the name.
After the name, no, it's not. Space, 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 space. It worked, no? There's no space.
It's not working. Yeah, 1 minute.
Hello?
Yeah, just like I'm checking 1 minute.
Okay.
Two functions will work on one field.
If you want two functions to work on one field, you need to use a custom user-defined function. Create a new function and put two, connect them, and then give it to output and then map to a field.
Yeah, two functions. Okay, that user defined.
Here, how can you do two mappings to one field? You cannot do two mappings to one field. Na? Is it possible? See, I put this as a here. How can I add this value here? You see, will it go? It won't go, right?
Right. Yes, yeah.
Okay, this is fine.
Yeah. Now the date in the date function.
Okay.
Date function, date format is not working.
Date format is not working. Huh?
Hmm.
Did you try that?
Yeah.
What is the date field here? Second or third? Third, no? So this is the format we are getting in the data. So you wanted to change to a different format?
Yeah.
Okay. So we will take a different function. Date format. So this is a different function.
Hmm. Can you please open the date format once? Yeah. MMDTYY and choose output mask none. Okay. Yeah, I'm also selected the same.
So this day will go here, right? It's not here, no, it's third.
Third, what day?
But we don't know if what format we gave here. Wait,
Hmm. Okay.
this will cause an error. If you don't want this to cause an error, change it to character.
Hmm.
Otherwise, mention the same format here. That's it. You want it to be daytime or character, Sakshi?
Date time.
So say, put the same thing there also. Okay, this is YYY HHMMSS, right? So we'll put the same thing there also.
Hmm. Yes.
See, if the formats do not match, we'll again go another. Oh, it didn't come.
Yeah.
It is MMDDYY, right?
MMDDYY. Yes. Completely.
I don't know what she's talking about.
Completely with the contact.
MMDDYY. Ah, this is it. Okay, we didn't do result mapping. Yeah. We didn't do result mapping.
Sorry.
We didn't map the result in the destination.
Oh. Okay. I mapped it, but still.
We'll see.
Working. Hmm.
These all are very small things. You have to put a
Right.
lot of effort.
Basic.
This will take away almost 80% of your time in development. See, it's working now.
It's working.
It's the second column, no? So,
Hmm.
till here. Since there is no time, it took time. But 1 minute. What is this 0929? Right? This is different. No? This is not. Oh, okay.
We need to map it to the input mask, no? Not to the date string.
I think it is that thing only. Because that is the input. We will see.
But input is
Then what will we map dates thing with? It's not correct. It's not
no.
correct.
Means
Because we will only, how will we know? Let us change this to character and see how this behaves. Instead of date and let's put count. What I usually do is I put both ends as character because sometimes they ask us to change the format every time. If there are 200 fields, we can't go and search. No? So if this is not working, we will just change it to character. Anyhow, we are doing mapping there, so nothing to worry. Here there are only 4 fields, so you are able to distinguish that, but otherwise it is very difficult. No? Okay, we didn't change this mark.
Now it's working for me.
Oh,
Yeah.
so it didn't work yesterday.
Yeah.
Strange.
I think I made some mistakes in the format, I guess.
See, this is working now. It is because of the
Yeah,
character
time.
only.
Right.
Time is okay. There is no time in input. So
Hmm.
that is why it is not bringing up
Okay.
time.